just in here playing my guitar, trying to find some inspiration. See, my Sway Carolina boots, the pre-sale is over, and now they're officially just for sale at carolinashoe.com, and I want to make a video and some kind of project to celebrate that. I was thinking like maybe a guitar, but you know, I've already done that. But I was thinking maybe I could do like a 300 little hang tag.
No way!
Oh, I know. You know, I'm going to call my friend Dr. Blankenstein and see if he has any thoughts. Let's see, 417. 3 plus 4 is 7.
Hello.
Hey, it's Tim Sway. I'm looking for Dr. Blankenstein.
Sopo.
What?
Tim.
Tim Sway.
Tim sopo?
Yeah, I'm looking for Dr. Blankenstein.
Putro.
No,
Jogja.
Putro, I don't know what that means.
Sopo? Tim.
What?
Tim sopo?
Hello?
Connect.
Hello, I'm looking for Dr. Blankenstein.
Connect dul.
Who is this?
Sambung.
Oh, what?
Wrong number. Wrong.
Oh, wrong number. Okay, I'm sorry. Thanks.
Wrong. Yeah, yes.
Good luck with that. buddy.
Cool.
Yeah, nice talking to you too, pal. That was weird. I'll use my cell phone.
Dr. Blankenstein! Tim, what's going on, my man?
Hey, listen, I am making a video project to celebrate my Sway Carolina boots being available to the public, but I don't really have any ideas. You got anything for me?
Sounds cool. Of course I can help you with something like that. I've got a bunch of ideas. But I know you work with a lot of other makers. I don't want to step on anyone's toes.
Wait, what did you say?
Step on anyone's toes?
I love it. Let's do that. Make me a Overdrive circuit. Make it 2.
All right, my man. You got it.
Well, that was way easier than this thing. That was fast.
Spend your money, spend your life, spend your brain away. Spend your money, spend your life, spend your brain away.
feel my pain with me for a minute. This is terrible. So my initial idea when I came up with the boot pedal thing was I was going to put some of this LED lights in a shoelace instead of using just like a regular LED light, so it would, you know, look really cool. But these LED lights, these rope lights, the bulbs are kind of far apart. So it didn't look as cool as I thought it was going to look. Then I discovered this EL light, and I was so excited because this stuff is amazing. It is exactly what my imagination was hoping to see. But here's the problem. Apparently you can't use EL light anywhere near an electric guitar. Watch this. It has something to do with the way the voltage works on this. So, but I didn't know that. I thought the problem was that we didn't have the right voltage going from the pedal to the light because I was getting that noise. Listen. It's a little bit unusable. So we were messing around with step ups and step downs, trying to change the circuitry to see if I could get rid of that noise, but I can't because I discovered out after like hours of messing around that doesn't matter what I do, even if it's not connected to the guitar. So I have to find some other solution. I said that won't get annoying. These boots were the first prototypes of the uninsulated Sway Carolinas that I've had since about a year ago when we tried them out. So they've only been worn a little bit, but they are used and they're a little tiny bit different than the ones that are for sale at carolinashoe.com. This boot here, or this, I guess I'll call it a guitar pedal now, but this guitar pedal here is mine. This one I'm going to wire up so it works properly and give away over on Instagram. If you follow me there at TimSway1, I'm going to be doing a giveaway in a few days. It's just easier to do it there. I want to thank Carolina for sponsoring this video and for making these boots. If you want to get your own pair of real Sway Carolinas that don't make a lot of noise, go to carolinashoe.com and check out the Sway boots they're called. I also want to thank a couple of friends of mine for helping me make this project and this video. First I want to thank Sehat Effectors. He's an Indonesian pedal circuit bender guy that makes amazing pedals like this one, which I bought from him a little while back, that are just crazy. If you follow him over on Instagram, you can see what he's doing. And Putro also has a band called the Frankenstone, which is the music that played through this whole video is all his band. Great band. Check it out. I'll leave links in the description. My other buddy that needs a huge thanks is the guy that did actually most of the work that wired the circuit together for the pedal, Dr. B, Dr. Blankenstein. We've made stuff before, including a video I made years ago with this Illuma ringer I made out of an old Geiger counter that is a light activated as well as a pedal activated for effects and stuff. I'll leave a link to the video. The thing is crazy. Or maybe you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to put a demo video up on my other channel of this over at New Perspectives Music, and I'll put a demo video up of Putro Sehat Effectors pedal as well, so you can check those out if you're like a nerd like me that gets into that stuff. You can go to drblankenstein.com and check out his work. He actually helped me do a guitar for a TV show a bunch of years ago. Super nice guy, super talented guy. Go to carolinashoe.com to order your Sway boots, and go to Instagram TimSway1 and look out for the contest where I give this boot away, but fixed. All right, be good.